Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add a goodbye message with Mimu on Discord in 2025. So actually guys, it's very easy. You just have to download Mimu and add it to your server. So just type Mimu bot and here click on the link and add it to the server. So go to invite. Here you will have to log into your Discord account, and then after you have authorized it, go back to Discord and then click on add to server, so whatever server you want, and then click on continue. Here give it all the permissions that you want and then click on authorize. Now go to the server and you will find Mimu that has been added right here. Okay, so now what's the next step? First, create a new channel. So a text channel here and name it, for example, goodbye. And then here make it a private channel. Click next and here add Mimu, for example, and create the channel. Right, so here you will have to type whatever I'm typing right now. I will tell you when to change the text, but the most important thing is that you follow the general syntax of the commands that I'm typing. So first click on embed, create, right here, and name it, for example, leave. Okay, then click enter. Now wait for it to be done, and here click on edit basic information. First for the title, type user tag and has left, and then the server name. You can customize it. You can look up on ChatGPT how you want to customize it, but these are important, so you can add the server name and the user tag automatically. Then for the description, write whatever you want. For example, we're sad to see you go, or something like that. And for the hex color, type in whatever. I will put black here. I think it's black, so let's just submit it. Then let's edit the author. Here for the author text, let's just type user nick, like that, and then click on submit. Then let's go to edit footer. Now for the footer text, let's just type down to server member count. So server member count, like that. Here for the footer image and the timestamp, you can add them, but I won't for this tutorial. Let's just keep it to the basic things. Then click submit. After that, let's click edit images. Here for the main image, type user avatar. So that's what will appear with the message, the avatar of the user that has just left. And then you can add a thumbnail if you want, but I will just keep it to the main image. And then click submit. After that, all of this will be done. You will see here the little bye message. Zach1021 has left the server. We're sad to see you go, down to 4 members, etc. Now, to set this bot to other channels, let's type /set leave channel. And then for the channel that you want, for example, general, like that. And then click enter. And now let's type again /set leave channel. And here instead of channel, let's just type message. And here for the message, type goodbye user and embed leave. So 2 points, leave. And then type enter. And then you'll be good. So let's just type /test, test leave, and then click OK. So here, as you can see in the general, Zach has left the server, etc. So yeah, that's it guys. This is the whole tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it did.